Yeah. What's up, boys? Here's the trade recap for today on Halloween. As you can see, here's a quick breakdown. Actually, you know what? Let me show that proof first. 800 bucks right here. Entry at 97. As you can see here, entry right here at 97. Perfect. Boom. Here's a quick rundown. I'm going to give a detailed breakdown right after I show you guys this. But as you can see on the screen, accumulation to trap at this new 9 a.m. 4-hour candle open. Manipulation to set in this bottom of the 4-hour candle wick. We inversed the CE of this bearish value gap here, which is where I took my entry. Didn't wait for the full one because we inversed the CE instantly after that clean manipulation. Tap into this higher time frame 15-minute breaker block. Went to internal liquidity. Perfect trade. 800 bucks. Great way to close out the week. Really great week. I think we had 3 green days, 2 break-even days. Or 1 break-even day, 1 no-trade day. But 2 break-even days, 3 green days. Great week. Content all over YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, everywhere. Make sure you guys follow me on all platforms. And make sure you guys join the Discord for live. I'm going to be live trading in my Discord for free, giving you all you guys premium for free. So make sure you guys tap in. Link in the description. I'm going to put those there. All socials. And next week, I'm also going to start live streaming on here, on YouTube, and also Twitch and TikTok, as long as I can get them running. But YouTube for sure. So make sure you guys drop a sub. I'll be live streaming my trades on YouTube and in my Discord every single morning starting next week forever. The whole point is to bring you guys free value. But let's get into the detailed breakdown of this trade. So real quick, let's go ahead and clear this screen here. You guys already got the quick rundown, but basically here was the reasoning here. So as you guys know, I trade the PO3 model within my full circle strategy that I teach. Like I said, the main concept is the PO3 model. So new 9 a.m. 4-hour candle open. That's the most important part, because this is the candle, which by the way, this is the 4-hour candle, and this is the what we're on the 1-minute chart right now. This is just showing us the 4-hour candle while we're on the lower time frame. If you guys want the indicator, it's by 2 degrees, called higher time frame power 3. If you go to my Instagram, I have my settings for it on there, but it just shows the 4-hour candle, and that's what we're trading. So this new 9 a.m. 4-hour candle opens right here, and we're open right here, already kind of in a little accumulation range. And what you want to do is always have your higher time frame POIs marked out. So going into it, we had the 15-minute bearish marked out, but we also had this 15-minute bullish marked out because we were aggressively dumping into it. Yeah, you guys can see right here this 15-minute order block. So it was the last up candle before an aggressive down move that shifted structure, got inverse, forming a 15-minute gap. But also now this order block turns into a breaker block because we instantly inversed it. So we had this 15-minute breaker block marked out, and this whole area was just kind of our area of confluence. If we could get a clean PO3 setup into it, then that would be our ideal area. And then also this area up here, which same kind of deal, 15-minute breaker block. If we went up into that first, that was going to be our ideal short to fill that new week opening gap, which obviously this one got hit first, so this is the one we ended up trading. But we dropped down to the 1-minute time frame here, and let me go back on the replay mode here. Select bar. We had this accumulation range right here. New 9 a.m. 4-hour candle opened right here. Form this accumulation range here. So we mark this out in our little green box. And you played the candles out, right? We get this clean manipulation into that breaker block, forming our manipulation leg and the bottom wick of that 4-hour candle. And now the last step would literally just to be wait for an IFEG, a CISD, or in this case we played the IFEG, but it was the close above the CE of that 1-minute bearish fair value gap right here. You can see we closed above the CE, which is just a 50% of it. So that's where we took our entry long right here, which is, as you can see, 26.90. Oh, you can't see that on that screen, but 26.97 was this. And going back to our screenshot, 26.97. As you can see, that same 1-minute bearish fair value gap closed above the CE, entered at the close of that. What is this, like just about 100 points on NQ, 825 bucks. Great way to close out the week. But yeah, I can go ahead and play out. We targeted this external liquidity here, and as you guys already have seen, this thing pretty much instantly shot up to our TP. But yeah, like I said, links in the bio for my Discord. I'm going to be trading live on YouTube as well next week, so make sure you guys pop in there, join the Discord, join the YouTube lives. Peace out.